in her face.
Hey y'all, it's me, Sasha Morales, and welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be showing you guys this package that I got off TikTok. So I was, I be on TikTok and I saw this girl.
Okay, my apologies, Miss Girl.
Miss who?
I'm
She's
sorry.
not a girl. It's Miss Taylor.
Who designed like nails, and I was like, I don't really do my nails, but these ones a little different. Oh my gosh, this is literally so adorable. And look, I got my flower sticker on the top, and open it here. And she gives us a little set. We have a file, a little stick that pushes the cuticles back, some nail glue. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm so excited. A flower sticker. Then, oh, so this is her card. Okay, yeah, I like this. Cute. And then she gave me a Shikamaru. Oh my goodness. Okay, so for the main event, let's get it out. These are why are these, oh my goodness, why are these so, my nails are clipped, they're gone. I'm kind of sad, but it's okay. Sorry if the lighting's a little weird or different, but put everything back. The packaging is literally so cute. So cute. I'm finna file up my nails so I can get grip on the, what is this thing called? So the glue can grip on to my nails to hold the press on nail. Okay, I think I did this backwards. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the alcohol pad first, or not first, but now. Wipe off my little nails. Make sure there ain't nothing. I literally just pushed my cuticles back, but it's okay. It's a little bit big, but it's okay. We can file it down. Basically, I'm gonna just size each nail to my hand. So I have resized them. So what I'm gonna do is, rough these up a little bit more. Okay, so this is the first nail. She's cute, she's good. So I'm gonna just keep on going with the rest of the nails. And I'll show you at the end. I don't know if it's just me, but I got my first hand done. It's not that bad. Come on. You y'all ready for the reveal or no? Because actually I should probably moisturize my hands. These are a little ashy. Give me a second. I think they look pretty good. Okay, you ready? Y'all, I will have to insert a picture, but I'm feeling myself, like. Y'all, honestly, you should give this girl a look because she did the dang thing. They feel pretty sturdy to me too as well. Like the glue, it seemed real strong. Until next time, bye y'all. Oh man.
What a drag. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress.